Ever wondered how YouTube decides which videos to show you? Well, it's not magic, nor is it random. It's a meticulously designed process that involves something called metadata. But what is metadata, and how can you optimize it to ensure your content reaches the widest possible audience? Metadata, in its simplest form, is data about data. On YouTube, it refers to the information that helps the platform understand what your video is all about. This understanding is crucial as it determines how and where your video appears in search results, suggested video feeds, and trending lists. So, how do you optimize your YouTube metadata? Let's break it down into 5 key steps. Firstly, craft an engaging title. This is the initial hook that draws viewers in. It should be catchy but also clear and descriptive. Use relevant keywords that align with your video content and what your target audience might be searching for. Next, focus on your video description. This is where you can provide more details about your video, including a brief summary of what viewers can expect to see. Include relevant keywords here as well, but make sure the description reads naturally and provides value to the viewer. Now let's talk about tags. These are keywords or phrases that help YouTube understand what your video is about. Use a mix of broad and specific tags to increase your chances of appearing in relevant search results. Another important aspect of optimizing your YouTube metadata is the thumbnail. This is the image that viewers will see before they click on your video. Make sure it's eye-catching, relevant to your content, and accurately represents what viewers can expect to see. Lastly, don't forget about the closed captions. Adding captions to your videos not only makes them more accessible to a wider audience, but it also helps YouTube understand the content of your video better. This can improve your chances of appearing in search results and recommended videos. By following these 5 key steps, you can optimize your YouTube metadata and increase your chances of reaching a larger audience. Remember to regularly review and update your metadata to stay relevant and maximize your video's visibility. Secondly, write a comprehensive description. This is your opportunity to provide more detailed information about your video. Again, use relevant keywords, but avoid keyword stuffing. Remember, your description should read naturally and provide value to your viewers. Thirdly, use tags wisely. Tags are essentially keywords that help YouTube understand your video's content. They can increase your video's visibility and help it appear in relevant search results. But be strategic. Use a mix of broad and specific tags that truly represent your video. Fourthly, leverage thumbnail images and video captions. A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase your video's click-through rate. And while video captions may seem like a small detail, they can improve your video's accessibility and boost its SEO. Lastly, categorize your video. This helps YouTube group your content with similar videos, increasing its chance of appearing in recommended or up next lists. So, to recap, optimizing your YouTube metadata involves crafting an engaging title, writing a comprehensive description, using tags wisely, leveraging thumbnail images and video captions, and categorizing your video properly. But remember, while optimizing your metadata can significantly improve your video's visibility, it's not a guarantee of success. Consistent, high-quality content that resonates with your audience is still key. However, by understanding and implementing these metadata optimization techniques, you're giving your videos the best possible chance of reaching the right viewers at the right time. So gear up, put these tips into action, and watch your YouTube channel grow. After all, in the vast sea of online content, every bit of visibility counts. Don't let your videos be lost in the shuffle. Optimize your metadata and let your content shine.